Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with a Chart Patterns Mastery / Simpler Trading free video. What's today about? We still have those stupid divergences in here. What am I talking about? Well, divergences to me are when something is under some kind of moving averages that everything has sort of followed each other before that. Boy, is that confusing. What am I talking about? Well, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Here is the ES. The ES over the 200, that's this, and it's decisively over the 20 on a weekly. So there are a lot of things like that. On the other hand, here's a daily chart, and you're going to see decisively over the 200, but at the 20 moving average. So just keep that in mind, at the 20 moving average. Now what I want you to see is this. Here's the NASDAQ. Over the 20 moving average. Then the Russell, decisively under. Now keep in mind, there were other times when everything got over the 20 and then they formed bull flags like this. There's a nice bull flag for you. But now you have the Russell under. You have the Dow barely under, but it is under that 20. You have the bond way under it. Holy cow, way under it. I was showing that possible measuring objective earlier. And the Dow Jones Transport's decisively under. Now, a lot of times when I've seen this in this type of environment, the first thing is the bond market needs to come back. So the bond market's decisively, I'm going to take off the 200, is decisively under the 20. I mean, not even close. A lot of times, though, in this type of funky market, what happens is this stabilizes, other indexes start going up, and the laggards start to bounce. The first way to look for it is to look for what is near some sort of support. As you see, the Russell's down here. All right, how about the transports? Transports are exactly at support. What's that mean to me? It means to look for positive reversal patterns in Dow Jones Transport stocks. The biggest way I know that people lose money is they go and they buy just because it's at support before looking for that reversal candlestick and then the follow through. Let me show you what we're talking about. There you go. Yeah, it's a lot better to buy if it breaks above that with this as your stop, instead of just buying at the support, because then you don't have a backstop. Tomorrow we'll look to buy transport stocks, but there is something big going on. And that's JB Hunt is the first of those big old transport stocks to have earnings. Now, before you say, well, that's not true, FedEx had earnings. You're right. But that was in the middle of December. I'm talking about now when the transports are so far from their 20 moving average. You need this to invalidate that bearish formation. You need this to bounce off the support, so it's more likely the transports will bounce off the support. This is a big old transport stock. So that's what we're going to be watching. We're going to be watching this. We're going to be watching the bond market to see if that can hold support. We're going to see if the Russell can get down to this support and form a reversal pattern. Now you might say, well, how about just buying it now? Well, it's a lot better buy if you buy it on some kind of break above something. So that's what we're going to be watching. So the first key for me of all of these is going to be JP Hunt's earnings tomorrow night. And you can go back, if you're not sure what day, you could go into Thinkorswim. And you can go into JBHT and you go and look right here. That's January 18th. Right in there. So tomorrow's the 17th. It's the night, Thursday night. So you have more than one day that this can futz around on the upside. And then the moment of truth. Just keep that in mind. We're going to be watching that carefully. So definitely, the bond market under that 20. Then the Russell under it. Then the YM under it. And the transports under it. They need to have a heck of a rally for me to trust that the NASDAQ is going to break up, not down. Have a great night. Talk to you later. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chris Brecher, and I'm Senior Managing Director of Stocks at Simpler Trading. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like our content, please leave us a like and a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our great new content coming out. Good trading, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.